Hello, I'm Matthew Laskaj and I'm here to talk to you this morning about skills and training for the energy industry. The engineering is evolving and is helping businesses transform, but we need to evolve with it. We need to up our skills, we need to train, and we need to look forward to the future. People get comfortable in their jobs, but then a business will come along with some new technology, some new software, some machine learning, and things will have to change. We need to change with it. We need to learn those new skills and we need to move forward and embrace that change. But what are the challenges that we have in the energy sector? The skills gap. It's been widely reported about the skills gap and the growing skills shortage in the coming 5 and 10 years. We need to upskill people, we need to evolve, and we need to move forward with that new technology. So that brings us on to technology and innovation. Business models are going to be changing. Emerging technology is going to drive that change, and we need to embrace that technology and learn. It's becoming a more global industry. How do we work with companies not within our local areas, more remotely throughout the world? Leadership has to be the one that drives that change. They have to look for the future, manage the change, and drive it down through the organisations, bringing through the skills, the technology, and the different ways of learning. Jim Collins is a management leader and talks about business growth. There's quite a good quote from him that I saw recently. It says, "The application and practice of engineering will evolve and change, but the laws of physics remain constant." We all learn physics, science, technology, maths. We do a good job of learning that, upskilling, keeping up to date with that. But the things we don't do so well is learning the new evolution, the change, the new technology. So how do we come up with learning those? Through training. We have to transform our approach of how we learn. We have to look to different ways of learning, look at different ways that people learn, and use the technology to drive that learning. So OGV Energy are an engagement platform for the energy sector in the UK. Industry news, events, job sites, television channels. All about the publicity and promoting the energy industry. As I mentioned, my name is Matthew and I'm the Director of Project Engineering Management Limited. Our company looks at projects and engineering, and we also look at training, incorporating the learnings from those projects into the training courses to make it practical and more enjoyable for the participants. So OGV and Project Engineering Management have teamed up and partnered up to form an alliance called OGV Inspire, inspiring the workforce through a new approach to learning. We're still looking at the theoretical understanding, the practical learning, and the professional experience that's gained through projects to teach. There's going to be an online database of a variety of different courses and providers that are focused on the energy sector, which people can come and sign up to and work on in their own time. The main selling point for the training courses is collaboration. So not only are we getting the theoretical, the practical and the professional experience, we're getting the industry experience from companies. Companies are going to be providing input, case studies, their experience into how they use the technology, how they use the learnings, and how they implement the changes in their business. So all of the participants in the courses can then relate the theory to an actual real life and to their workplace. So we're starting off with 10 courses as face-to-face training. Digital transformation. This is focused on energy leaders, energy decision makers, looking at ways that we can use digitalisation to transform their business, culture, leadership, skills, and the technology itself. We have then an introduction to digitalisation. This is looking at the technology and the different digital industries that are coming through in the future. Internet of Things, blockchain technology, cybersecurity is going to be a huge one. We then have a variety of different engineering-based courses from project management, asset reliability, maintenance, fault failure analysis, and design process, all focused on the energy industry and all using case studies and experience from a variety of companies locally to show how we actually use these in real life. So as mentioned, here's just some of the companies that we're going to be working with who are going to be providing information, and we look forward to seeing you at some of the courses.